let's take a look at this week's Onshape tech tip. Adding mates to this assembly and dragging the handle displays its intended movement. To further restrict movement, add limits to these mates. In this assembly, add a limit to the handle's revolute mate. After accepting the mate, movement is now limited to the value set. Mate limits restrict the overall movement, but precise positioning by dragging is hard to accomplish. In this example, position a handle at 39 degrees. To do this quickly, press J on the keyboard to display all mates. Then, single-click on the mate inside the graphics area. The mate's positional value appears. Double-click on that value and input a new value. If you already know which mate to edit, single-click on it inside the mate features list and repeat the previous steps. For example, click the slider mate and edit the value to be 0.25 from the original location. This tech tip demonstrated how to precisely position a part by specifying an exact value. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more video tech tips.